Matt Breitenbach here with my partner Dominic Cousins with the Bat Team, an epic collaboration with Echo Development, brand new home we're bringing to the market. Dominic, tell us some high-level facts.
So excited about here. Thank you, Matt. Here we are in Horse Country, Watermill North. I'm standing in front of the pool and spa. Let's look at the primary suite right there. This new development, 3 floors, 7 bedrooms, 8 baths, just under an acre. Got the gym in the basement. So much program here. Come check it out. We'd love to take you through.